Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is paramount for overall health, particularly for those managing diabetes or prediabetes. Your food choices play a crucial role in this balance, with certain foods standing out as particularly problematic. To protect your health, it's important to identify and limit these blood sugar spikers in your diet. First on this list are refined carbohydrates, commonly found in white bread, pastries, and certain cereals. They are quickly digested and absorbed, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. When consumed, they create a burst of energy followed by a significant crash, which can leave you feeling fatigued and craving more carbs. Opting for whole grains instead can provide a steadier source of energy and help curb these fluctuations. Another major culprit is sugary beverages, including sodas, energy drinks, and sweetened coffees. With their high sugar content and low nutritional value, these drinks can lead to immediate jumps in blood sugar levels. Sipping on water or herbal tea can not only quench your thirst, but also provide a healthier alternative that keeps your blood sugar in check. Starchy vegetables like potatoes and corn can also be deceptive. While they are healthy in moderation, consuming them excessively can lead to increased glucose levels. Instead of loading your plate with these starchy options, consider incorporating non-starchy vegetables such as leafy greens, peppers, and broccoli that are lower in carbohydrates and higher in fiber. This shift can lead to better blood sugar control and overall health benefits. Lastly, watch out for high sugar foods like candies, baked goods, and desserts. These items often contain large amounts of added sugars and unhealthy fats, contributing to irregular blood sugar spikes. Choosing natural sweeteners or fruit as a dessert alternative can satisfy your sweet tooth without the roller coaster effect on your blood sugar. Being aware of the foods that can sabotage your blood sugar levels is key to achieving optimal health. By making mindful choices and opting for alternatives that promote stable blood sugar, you can take significant steps towards better overall well-being. Remember, it's not just about avoiding these foods, but also embracing nutrient-dense options that nourish your body and support your health journey.